Friends, I'm so excited today. We're going to talk about factoring. This is one of my favorite things. You're going to need this in Algebra 2, in geometry, later on in algebra. So if you don't understand it, speak up. Make sure somebody helps you out, okay? I want you to walk away from this being a lean, mean factoring machine so that you know how to do these. So here we are. We're going to jump right in. The very first thing you need to know is that there are 4 different types of these trinomials that we are factoring. They all look like this. You do not have to write those down. What we are going to do is start with this one, which is a double positive here. These signs are the most important part when we are factoring these. So what I do want you to write down is grab your notebook and you are going to take notes on these. So here is a squared plus bx plus c. Here's how we do these. You look at your last sign. If it is negative, different signs. If it is positive, same signs, and then you have to look at your front one. So if this is negative, we don't care about the front one. All we care about is that last one. This will make a little bit more sense in just a second. So here's what we do. We take these guys right here, so let's get started. All right, so here's what we do. This is essentially reverse box method, reverse distribution, reverse foiling, okay? So we're gonna jump right into here and we are gonna say, okay, we're gonna create some parentheses here, y and y. So we can fill in those y's because if I were to FOIL it, right, first, outside, inside, last, y times y would give me y squared. So here's what we do. We look at this last one. If that is negative, it is different. If it is positive, it's same signs, and we have to look at the front. So this is positive, so it tells us same signs. This tells us our signs are going to be positive, positive. I cannot stress to you enough that signs are the most important part of this. Okay, now we take all of our factors of 8. So 1 times 8. 2 times 4. It's a good idea to go in order. What I need is a positive that when added together gives me positive 6. Positive 2 and positive 4, when we add those together, we get positive 6. So don't be fooled by the fact that I wrote it as a multiplication problem. No, we're adding 2 and 4. Now, let's do a little bit of side work and see how that works out for us. So here's what we have. We have y plus 2. Y plus 4. Let's use the distribution method for this. We have y times y plus 4 plus 2 times y plus 4. Okay, we get y squared plus 4y plus 2y plus 8. Add those together, we get, that's a weird 8. Y squared. And then our like terms here gives us plus 6y plus 8. Yo, is that what we started with? It absolutely is. So we have done this correctly. Bam, you have factored this. I cannot stress to you the importance of knowing your your multiplication, your factors, and knowing your signs. So we're going to do this again. We're going to do our bubbles. Technically parentheses, I'm sorry. Parentheses, and then we put our b in our b, because if we do first, b times b will give us b squared. We look at our last sign, that is positive, so same sign. This tells us same signs. This tells us positive, positive. Bam, bam. Factors of 14 are 1 and 14, 2 and 7, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, 7, but 7's already on the board, so we're good. Those are all of our factors. I need a positive and a positive that gives me positive 9. Positive 2 plus positive 7 will give me positive 9. Kablam, you have just factored that. Let's try another one. All right, we're going to do our bubbles. Parentheses, geez, got to be all technical. X, this tells me same signs. This tells me positive, positive. All right, 1 and 22, 2 and 11, and that is it. I need a positive that adds up to 13. Well, positive 2, positive 11, that adds up to 13. Kablam, you have just factored. All right, let's try one more. Here we go, X, or parentheses, and then our X's. And this tells me same signs. This tells me positive, positive. Plus, plus, factors of 10, 1 and 10, 2 and 5. Not 3, not 4, 5's already on the board, so we're good. Okay, I need a positive that adds up to 7. So positive 2, positive set 5 gives me positive 7. Congratulations, you have just factored. All right, we'll see you next time.